K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I want to teach you how you can translate your video to many languages using AI. So like, let me just play this video and you're going to see it. So I use this AI to turn this video.
Welcome you to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. If you never subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss all the valuable contents that is coming out from this channel. Hola mi gente, les doy la bienvenida al canal de...
So as you can see, I use this AI to translate it to Spanish. Look,
canal de YouTube de K.S.M Creativity. Si nunca te suscribiste a este canal, haz bien en suscribirte y activar tus notificaciones para que no te pierdas todos los contenidos valiosos.
So that wastes much time. So how to achieve this one with AI? So I'm going to teach you step by step. Just follow the process and make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end. So when you open your browser now, so here is the this AI that we are going to be using. The good thing about this AI is that you can using it with your smartphone, you can using it with your laptop. So I'm using smartphone to carry everybody along. So now if you open it like this, you can decide to upload your video through the URL or upload your video direct by click here, so that it gets it will bring it to you. Then after you upload your video, you will scroll down. All these settings you will need to set. So you will original language of the video that you want to translate. You will need to write the original language that you want to translate to this area. So as you can see it, so you will select original language from this area. So just click this drop down button. You are going to see the language of the video you want to translate. We select it here. So let me select English. When I select English, then the language you want to translate it, you will select this drop down button to select the language you want to translate your video to. So I will click on it. So from English, let's say I want to translate it to Portuguese. Also, I will just click on Portuguese. So you get, so I just click into any language you want to translate your video. Then another thing you still need to set is you can decide if you want your video to have a subtitle of the language that you want to translate your video to. You turn this one on. So you will turn this button on. If you want subtitle, you turn this button on. But if you don't want any subtitle to your video, you just leave it as off like that. But the one that is more important is to turn this one on. So you need to turn this one on, this lip sync, so that what your video is saying, it will lip sync with the person that is talking. So you get, you need to turn it on. You just turn this button on. So when you turn it on like this, then let's upload our video by click on this side. I click this area to bring the video that you want to translate. So let me bring it. When you click on that middle, it will lead you to your gallery side where you will select the video that you want to turn to Portuguese language. So now let's say this one I want to bring now. I will just select it and click done. So it's going to be loading. Make sure your internet is connected very well, so you can play it before you turn it to another language. Let's play it and see it.
Hello my people, I welcome you to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. If you never subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not...
It is English, so we want to turn it to Portuguese. So let's turn it to Portugal right now. Alright, so after you have setting all this necessary right now, make sure you turn this on, this lip sync. Make sure you turn it on. Then the previous language, which is original language English, then the language you want to change it to, I want to change it to Portuguese. So now after you have setting everything down, normal You now click on translate now. So let's click on it. It's going to take some few minutes for now. It's loading. It's first transcribing our video, so let's wait for it. Let me pause this video. So as you can see, it has transcribed our video from English to Portuguese, as you can see now. So you can see the script. So after that, we now scroll down. So as you can see it, Limsic at here right now. We now click on translate now again. So you can see it. So just click on translate. So just click on translate right now. So it's going to take some few seconds now to generate our video. It's loading. If you look at it now, you see what right here. You see this may take few minutes. Please wait, your video will be translated. So you don't have to wait right now. As you can see it, our video has ready. So if you play it right now, you are going to see that it's going to speak Portuguese language. Let's play it and hear the Portuguese language.
Olá, meu povo. Dou as boas-vindas ao canal K.S.M Creativity no YouTube. Se você nunca se inscreveu neste canal, faça bem em se inscrever e ativar suas notificações.
So after you have satisfied with your video right now, just click on this download button to download your video to your gallery. And this website, I'm going to leave the description, the link to this website. I'm going to leave it to the description of this video. And one thing about this video, they have premium one and they have free version. If you are using free version, you can only translate one video in a day, and it's going to be just 60 seconds if you are using free version. So let's check the price. You are going to see the price. So this is the price of this website. You can see it. So if you are using free version, you will only get a limit of what you can do in this website, because this website you can also using it for many things. You can create talking avatar, you can swap face, you can do it for many things. So you can see the price. So the name of this website is Fitness AI. So I'm going to leave the link to this website to the description of this video. So there is Fitness AI. You can, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. So if you never subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more valuable videos like this.